Hello everyone, welcome to TRENT Live Show. This is Sylvia. I'm proud of being your guide today for the production tour. Before we get started, I would like to take a few minutes to introduce the company first. TRENT is our company name. It's also the brand name. We were established in 2010. And for over 11 years, our focus has been always on LED lighting solution for vehicles. So we are one-stop supplier of app-smart multicolor decorative lighting, truck lighting, and also automotive illumination replacement bulbs, like headlight bulbs, fog light bulbs, signal bulbs, T10 bulbs, etc. Okay, it is time to get started right away because we'll have several stops to tour the entire process of TRENT production today, so please keep up with me and don't leave yourself alone. Before the production tour, I would like to show you TRENT office area first. As you can see, the decoration of our office area is elegant and comfortable by Chinese style. Different from most other factories, all of our departments have their independent office room. It is very quiet. Every department will not interfere each other, so that we can have more space for independent thinking of our working. As we can see, there have two aisles. In this aisle on the right is the R&D department, President Office, Vice President Office, and the Financial Office. In this aisle on the left is the Purchase, Market, PMC Office. The center is the sample room and the laboratory. And we also have a patent hall with all certifications that our company have. Besides the R&D capability with over 6 senior engineers, and we are also a Sedex certified manufacturer since 2017. After office area, we are ready to enter to the workshop. Before we get into the production line, we need to follow some procedure. One is to wear 2 pieces of special thin film under shoes like this. Okay, this is the first step. And the second step, we need to touch this one, because the production area is ESD controlled, and you can see the static voltage goes to 0. That means I am allowed to get inside, and these 2 procedures are making sure we are okay to get inside of the production area. Okay, let's get inside. Now let's come to the first stop. The first stop is TRENT Special Workshop. Here we can see from the management system board, this is our transparent glue filling workshop. The surface or inside of product needs transparent silica gel, epoxy resin, lighting like strip, pots, logo, etc., which need high waterproof level, are all produced here. For the consistency of all products, as well as high production efficiency, we use automatic equipment. At the same time, in order to ensure that the product of all customers are absolutely clear and transparent, our glue filling workshop is completely sealed. Only some workers with that mission, they could get into the workshop. They make production based on guides strictly inside the room. Okay, that is the first stop for the transparent glue filling workshop show. Let's go to the next stop for the productions. Okay, here we see, this is a pre-workshop for LED headlight replacement bulb. Let me show the headlight bulb to you. We can producing over 3,000 pieces LED headlight replacement bulb every day. And also we have different types of LED replacement bulb, like headlight bulbs, fog light bulbs, signal, brake, backup light bulbs, T10, T15, and dome light bulbs, so on. The workers are doing various pre-work like materials checking, soldering, inspecting, PCB cleaning, and thermally conductive silicon, etc. This is a very important process to prepare for the product assembly. Saves a lot of time and consistently ensure a high quantified percentage in production process. We see the first stop is working on the bulb aluminum body checking, 100% checking before the next stop. Some workers are fixing the cable into the aluminum bodies. Some are soldering the PCB boards on the cables and placing the heat dissipation silicon between the copper PCB and aluminum body. And some are heating screws. Some are testing the headlight bulb. A completed bulb requires at least more than 20 processes. Let's come to the other workshop. Now we are producing the LED driver for LED headlight bulbs. We can take a close and look at what they are doing. As we can see, a worker used a test fixture to test the LED driver one by one first. After that, they will do similar pre-works like soldering. And then they will stick on conducting strip inside the driver and filling thermosilica gel. These processes are very crucial for the LED driver assembly. Our production management system is strict. While each worker is doing their job and must check whether the previous process is okay or not. If it is not perfect, they must go back for correction until it meets Chen's manufacturing process standard. This management system has enabled each worker to develop good working habits and ensuring a production pass rate of approximately 98%. This is a workshop for app smart lighting and truck lighting kit, like underbody kit, rock lighting kit, wheel lighting kit, grille lighting kit, engine bay lighting kit, and interior lighting kit, etc. They are applicable to car, SUV, Jeep, truck, RV, power sport, motorcycle, marine boat, and so on. They are very popular products in North America. Our annual sales are over 100,000 sets and increasing year by year. Look, this is the app rock light. Okay, let's come to the first stop. Now we can see the first stop is 100% checking raw material. And some are fixing the cable to the housing. We use the automatic soldering machine and also have workers are soldering the cable to the light PCB board. They do various pre-work process step by step until completing the whole lighting port. And this needs 18 processes in total and based on IP67 waterproof standard. After the app lighting workshop, now let's come to the app hardware driver workshop. Also before the pre-work starts, all PCB boards have to make the dryer process in the dryer box. First, let's see what kind of app driver they are making. We see they use a text fixture and light to text PCB board one by one of the app hardwares. They also are doing relevant soldering, cleaning PCB board, and many other processes are going on in an orderly way. Let's come to the most important stop. As you can see from the management system board, it's waterproof test and burning test workshop. So let's open the door and see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, it is a burning test room. I feel it's so difficult to stay at here, but our professional workers have to stay here all the time to keep checking of this product. So why is that? Because it is a burning test. We have many shelves and we put different products, especially the LED headlight kits on the shelves. And we power them on, let them work for at least 4 hours. All bulbs will be tested. During the burning test, the bulbs and the driver will be switched on and off to simulate the real working state of this product. In the product usage, driver probably switch on and off the lighting kit many times every day. So this process and also the burning test will make sure the quality extreme good and before deliver the product to the customer. Okay, this is an entire test room. I would like to introduce the waterproof test we do. And we see there are some boxes with 1 meter waters. So the app rock light with hardware driver are dipped underwater for 1 meter with 30 minutes, even 1 week, to ensure the waterproof ability. And different IP rate has different requirements for how long the hardware driver with lighting should be dipped underwater. All the lighting kit we take out from the water will be put on the shelves. And power on for a half hour. This is a double check for the lighting kit. See if there is water leaks inside of the product. This is another stop of the production line. Right now, we are close to the final stop of the production process. Here we see it's a testing and packing line. So this is a final production line of testing. All the product of customer order will be sent here for 100% testing, including cable accessories, other accessories, label and pack, even with customized artwork package. And then it means the whole processes of production has been finished. This is a final stop of the production tour today, and also it's a final quality check before delivering the goods to customer. Some of you may ask me, we have seen a lot of different tests already, and why it is tested here again? Okay, follow me, I will answer the question. Yes, it has to be tested again here because according to our quality control procedure, they do not finish a whole quality control process yet. And what we saw before is quality check authorized by the production department, while here what we see is authorized by the quality control department. So as the final check and quality control, it is necessary to check again, but we don't do 100% test for every piece of product. We randomly check them from the packing boxes and test if the function specification of product is correct, like right labels, accessories, and even artwork boxes. And the standard we follow here is military standard, like what the board showing STD105E. That's a sample test standard we are following here with a final quality check. So after this, the products are approved and confirmed internally by TRENT. Then they finally able to deliver to the customer all over the world. Thanks for joining us today, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce the TRENT production. And as an entire process, it is not the end, because my colleague William will show you another important part of TRENT. He will lead you to our laboratory on next video. So bye!
Hi everyone, I'm William. Nice to meet you, and welcome to visit our TRENT laboratory. All new development demonstration samples and pre-production samples are sent to here for a series of tests to ensure our products are stable, reliable, and durable. Now let me show you around. The first one is high and low temperature test chamber, which can conduct various temperature tests based on ISO standard, such as constant temperature step test, temperature cycling test, humid heat cyclic test, and damp heat steady state test. It is to simulate the exposure of our products in different and even the worst environments. This is a whole set of lighting spectrum analyzer. It's mainly for measuring the technical data of lighting quality, such as lumen, color temperature, color purity, etc. This big ball is for measuring the finished LED lighting products, and another small ball is for measuring the technical data of LED chip, generally used in the evaluation of LED chip selection and adoption in product development period. Also the IPQC inspection of LED chip massive production raw materials from suppliers. This is thermal parameter test machine. As you can see, our LED headlight bulbs are working well in the 60 degrees Celsius environment. And 8 temperature detectors are connected with some important electronic components like LED, MOS tube, IC, diode, capacitor, etc. All detected temperatures will be shown on the indicator board. This process is to test the heat dissipation ability. See if the heat dissipation system can release the heat from various electronic components, and make sure the working temperature will be in the reasonable range. On the other side of the laboratory are some smaller equipments. This one, as we can see, with some cables hanging, is the swing test machine. We hang a weight from 300 to 500 grams. Set the swing angle at 60 degrees and the speed at 25 times per minute to verify the cable quality. Make sure our cables are good enough in strength. This is live test. Let's see how it works. Firstly, put inside the box, connect it with power source, and light them up continuously. As you can see, all the bulbs are powered on all the time, at least 1 year, so that ensure our products are extremely durable. There is a card indicating when we started the test and when it's over. This one, as we can see, it's written 2020. It means this bulb has been working for over 1 year constantly. This is a transportation shake simulation test machine. It can simulate the real vehicle transportation shake environment based on ISTA project standard. In this test, product cannot be damaged, so that ensure the good safety in the real vehicle transportation. As we can see, this is our polarity protection fixture. For polarity products, we connected products with power source in reverse polarity, and products cannot be damaged within 60 seconds. For non-polarity products, we connected products for both of straight polarity and reverse polarity, and products cannot be damaged. As we can see, this LED light bulb is non-polarity products. it's working well for both of straight connection and the reversed connection. This is overvoltage test fixture. It's for measuring the maximum voltage of a product. Take this bulb for example. Its working voltage is 12 to 24 voltage. In test, we will increase the power source voltage to be higher until product damaged. For example, maybe 32 voltage. Then 32 voltage is the maximum voltage of this product. This is light performance test room, also the last part of our laboratory introduction. As you can see, we have so many kind of headlight assemblies. This testing and analyzing is the first step of beginning for new product development. All different bulb models have to be tested and adjusted with various headlight assemblies, both of reflectors and projectors, to meet the light beam pattern standard. After that, we will do the real vehicle lighting practical test based on a road. Meanwhile, we can measure the lux data of LED headlight bulbs with headlight assemblies, so that get the practical brightness that vehicles can project to the front. After the introduction, I believe you have known more about TRENT now. Having our own laboratory to make all rigorous tests that makes us more confident to our products and makes you more safe when driving on the road. If you want to know more about products, welcome to visit our website at TRENT.com and review our catalog. Also, please follow our Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn as below. There will be more exciting live shows incoming soon. Hope to see you then. Bye bye.